Do you want to unlock your property's true potential? Whether you're looking to list a property for sale or looking to lease out your property, or even maybe if you're not sure if you want to sell it or lease it, maybe you're just thinking about some renovations, I want to actually sit down with you, get to know the situation better so that way we could actually come up with a strategic game plan that makes sense. Step one is actually allowing me to come and see the house for a free tailored appraisal. While I cannot give legal or tax advice, we need to look at things like property gains and other aspects, especially in the game plan of buying the next property. Does it make sense to sell? Should we do any renovations to be able to get more top dollar, sell as is? Or for landlords, if you have a tenant in the residence, there's a lot of strategic game planning that is required to make sure that the sale and the purchase of your next property makes sense and is smooth. So I like to start there. And then once we dive into the property marketing, this is tailored to the property, the area, the lifestyle, the community, and everything else. And this is really what I'm known for. Before I was a Ferrari consultant, I actually owned a marketing agency. So I work with some of the best professionals to create high-end professional videos that share the story of the home, the community. We do MLS videos. We advertise these on ads like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Hulu, and a bunch more. We run these ads globally. We reach 1.25 million people just off of Facebook and Instagram alone on another property. So property marketing is really where I specialize in.
One of the biggest things besides videos to me personally is the experience that people have when touring and viewing the property. So besides just the videos, I want to make sure that we deliver that. I've done grand open houses. I've done a wine, cars, and cigars event recently, which included a winery tour with a Lamborghini Countach on the wall with a working engine as a coffee table. And essentially every event that I host or grand open house that I host is going to be curated and tailored to the exact neighborhood, community, and price for that house.
But really, that's kind of the second part. The first part is coming up with a game plan that makes sense to sell, look at all the data, look at the cost for renovations, and see how are we going to bring this property to market at the best price strategically, and then work off of the marketing to really get the exposure and find the right qualified buyer. So if you are thinking about making a move, I would love the chance to meet you in person to go over a tailored property strategy to how we are going to get your property sold or leased for the best price. My name is Jarrett Richards with Berkshire Hathaway here in Newport Beach, along with my partner in crime, Jane Rose, and we're here to serve you.